Welcome back to part 2, ladies and gentlemen, of Garifuna sentences, phrases, and commands, brought to us by the good fellas at
Pan of the drums. A lot of the DJ Heights, the link.
Here we go, part 2. It is dusty. In Garifuna is Hanarimete Kaliki. Hanarimete Kaliki. I don't understand. In Garifuna is Uati Gufaranda Nani. Uati Gufaranda Nani. Write your name here. In Garifuna is Burube Biriya. Burube Biriya. Everyone's blood is red. Funati hata sungurigia. Funati hata sungurigia. I want to drink coconut water. Busetina natu gugwedi. Busetina natu gugwedi. Or Busetina natu tidunare faluma. Busetina natu tidunare faluma. Idu is eating fufu. In Garifuna is legina edu hudutu. Legina idu hudutu. Tomorrow I'm going to have a ripe banana porridge. In Garifuna is Natubaletu haruga. Natubaletu haruga. Tapo is delicious with fried fish. In Garifuna is Semetu tapo lau uduro furidu. Semetu tapo lau uduro furidu. Fried fish, my favorite. Next, the pot is full of banana tamales. In Garifuna is Buinha Suderu Taudarasa. Buinha Suderu Taudarasa. And last, the fork is long. In Garifuna is Migifeti Figedu. Migifeti Figedu.